a very warm welcome to Dr. Sunil, who has really done wonders in this FMG exam, which was held on 4th of December 2020. Once again, he is Dr. Sunil Fanon from Uzgrod National Medical University, and we are really proud of you, Sunil.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
The way you have performed, the dedication which you have shown, and we are really proud to announce that Sunil was associated with us in the vacation batch as well as in the regular batch this year. So once again, many congratulations to
Thank
you,
you.
Dr.
Thank
Sunil,
you.
from the entire MIST family.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
I would just like to know, Dr. Sunil, that what was your experience? How did you prepare yourself? What did you follow so that the other students can also be enlightened with your thoughts?
Sir, as you told, I start my journey from vacation batch in the MIST last year, and in vacation batch I got 10 subject in 2 months. So that is my route of today's success. After that, I went in my university and I revised that my particular notes. So that is make me that is good benefit for me. And this time, in this COVID situation, MIST help us a lot of in online classes, but we feel like face to face because our conversation with the teachers is good because we connected on call, phone, messages, and MIST application. So
Very good. That is really very good, Sunil. And Dr. Sunil, I would like to know that how many hours did you study whole day?
sir, due to some different condition in family, so I study 15 hours per day.
Very good. That's really very good. 14-15 hours a day. And Sunil, what did you actually read during this period? During the last 6 months, especially when you are focusing on this 4th December, what did you actually read?
I just read only MIST notes. I don't went behind the MIST notes. Just MIST notes is the enough, more than enough. I just want to say for FMGs to MIST, please minimize your notes because it is so much huge notes. So that is the good knowledge, and yeah, this is means a lot of knowledge from the MIST I got, but it's also good for my future also. Even MIST taught us practically also, so that is also benefit for me.
Dr. Sunil, we would like to know that did those clinical case discussions, the CCD sessions, how did they help you?
Sir, CCD case sir, they help me a lot because sir, in CCD case just there is one line that is important, and that examiner can ask one liner question. So there is one CCD question and two kind of questions, one clinical case as well as one liner question also. So many teachers connect that one liner question in clinical case, make a big clinical case, and feeling like a conversation between the patient and doctor. So that was amazing for me, and this is the good experience. Even MIST only one institute that suddenly changed the syllabus, and we got a lot of benefit from the MIST because otherwise every institute having same syllabus. I don't know about others, how much I know, so they didn't change and everything is the same, but MIST give us some different things, even more images, more videos, more clinical cases. So that is everywhere benefit for our exam.
और डॉक्टर सुनील, जो टेस्ट दिए होंगे मिस्ट में, उसमें कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा?
सर उसमें मेरा एक्सपीरियंस अच्छा रहा, जो कि जो मॉक टेस्ट होते थे, सो सर मैं उसको कम से कम टाइम में समाप्त